Hi there everyone, welcome to this video. So basically I'm going to show you how to transform this shake. I used vanilla into this gorgeous, fabulous mousse style pudding. Guys, please like, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I've got loads of hacks on Exante products, loads of ideas just to kind of spice up all of their different diet products and make your life more exciting. So basically what I did was I added 100 milliliters of boiling water to a jug, and then I added just one of these sugar-free Hartley jelly packs, and I've just basically added all of the jelly powder and giving it a good old stir. It's really important to stir it as well as possible. Then you add another 100 ml of cold water, give it a stir, and then add your shake. The really important part is to stir this really well. Whisk it if you've got a whisk. I personally don't have a whisk, but just stir as well as possible because you don't want any lumps. Pour your mixture into your dessert recipients and then pop them into the fridge. Leave them for a few hours, like 3 or 4 hours, however long it takes, and then here is your result: a delicious, light, protein-filled, low carb, low cal dessert. You don't have to drink all of your shakes as actual shakes. You can enjoy them as solid food as well. Please like, share and subscribe. God bless. See you soon. Don't forget to ask me for any other recipe requests you've got. God bless.